Exceptional. Fantastic rainforest retreat, especially if it rains, very quiet and private, lovely creek runs within hearing distance. Just the trip to relax and recharge. Dennis Wendy, May 2019. Lovely relaxing weekend away. The relaxation in this retreat has thought of everything you need for a mini breakaway. Beautiful romantic getaway. Had a really nice time here. Was a great place to get away. Fantastic. Could not have been more happy. Fantastic. Highly recommended. Outstanding. Outstanding. 3 nights at this luxurious rainforest resort. We felt like we were in our own little slice of paradise, but still so close to everything we needed in Montville. Highly recommend. Loved it. Love the facilities. Loved it. Love the facilities. You pay what you get, worthed. Definitely would go back. Good value. Good value.